SkyyTask drone pilots, do not skip this message. If you're wondering how our bid service works, here it is in simple terms. Basically, a client will request a job, they'll post it. If you are within that radius that you select, it'll come into that radius, alert you through basically a push notification. So that push notification will come straight to your cell phone, almost like a text message. You do not have to check the website. You do not have to check your app daily or hourly to see what jobs are coming. They're gonna come right to you. I designed this to streamline this entire process. Secondly, the clients can also choose to search our directory and request drone services directly from you. So if they're looking at your profile, they're looking at your bio, the portfolios that you have, so your URLs that we have in there, if they see your work and it's something they want to work with and they love it, they can request a job directly through you. So this means that job request will never be seen by another drone pilot. Maybe if they choose more than one, they can choose like up to 3. If they choose 3 pilots, then only you guys will see it. So treat it like you may not be the only one to see it. So it's always good practice. But there is a chance that they're only choosing you. So those jobs will come directly to you. Nobody else will see those jobs. Now, once a job is taken, now remember, those are private. Once a job is out on the network, we'll just say, and it goes to everybody within that radius, every drone pilot, and it alerts them. Once that job is taken, it is gone forever. You will not see it. It gets moved to a different portal and it remains private. We don't want to keep stagnant jobs on there. I'm not trying to get your hopes up and make us look like we're busier than we really are to get you guys excited. That's not why we built this. What you want to do is you want to stay positioned, stay in place, get your profile built out, and do your normal workflow. Move on, do your normal workflow, and then it'll alert you once it comes in. It'll come right to you. So this way you don't have to come and sit here and just wait for jobs to come. That's not why I built this. I built this to be super efficient. I don't want you guys wasting your time checking the website or checking your app and saying, oh, did something come in? No, that's not why we did it. So just continue to get work on your own, and as we grow, now mind you, we are still growing our client base. We are hyper focused on growing our pilots because it is super important to us to have you guys in place so that when these jobs do come into your immediate area, that they are going to be serviced, that they are going to get recognized by you and addressed by you guys. If we have a bunch of clients posting thousands of jobs and we don't have enough pilots, what sense or what good does that do any of us? So I'm putting you guys in place first. I want you positioned. Stay positioned. Do not look around and say, oh, this sucks, nobody's here. You're not going to know that one way or another. So just sit still, be patient, allow your alerts to come in, and still continue to do your normal day job. Okay? This is how this is set up. I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to grow. We are building this for you. Just stay patient and stay in place. Do your normal activities. The alerts will come to you, I promise.